Okay. Fairly basic speed picking thing to start. I can't think of anything special to say about it. So here we go at 60 beats a minute. I actually missed a note. Take two. Double time. Let's do 180. And 200. To 20. Probably do that one again. Definitely getting challenging now. All right, let's see. Exercise number 2. No distortion. So, pay attention to the chord names that you're playing and familiarize yourself with the shapes. This is going to be helpful many months down the road when we get to chord theory. I say many months because, well, it's just what it is. We gotta, after the technique stuff, we'll be getting back to all the full rhythm, mostly rhythm stuff at that point, and then getting into what makes chords what they are and whatnot. So got all kinds of information that you're gonna learn. So anyway, this will help later on. This will also help with sweep picking type stuff, which we will be getting to eventually. But yes, so the major chord, when you're starting on the E string and you're just playing one note of the chord at a time in order, it looks like that. Memorize that shape. And then the minor shape will look like that. See the difference there? It's just that one note just makes that difference. Major, minor, and then the diminish. Although you're going to be doing it this way. But just for the sake of demonstration, major, minor, diminished, minor, major, minor, diminished, minor. Alright, so 60 beats a minute here. That. So yeah, that one's not a metronome speed one, but when you feel comfortable with the chord changes and whatnot, definitely do it with a metronome at 60 and focus on being able to play it well. Going from chord to chord, note to note, all that good stuff. Alright, back to the dirtiness. Here we go. Yeah, the tricky part about this is just that beat 3 will begin with a pull off. So it should look and sound like this. All right, double time. Do it again. And double that. So yes, 240 with eighth note triplets is definitely a goal to get. So this way you can work on 6 notes a beat instead of 3. playing that right? Yeah. Okay, here we go. At this point, I think the biggest challenge is proper timing. Because I can go faster than that. Like I could do 300. Again, it's the timing that's a pain in the butt. I don't think that's right. Oh, that's why it's throwing me off, is because it's a 9/8 thing. Anyway, this is a point where it's much easier to just do 6 notes a beat. So, like 150 with 6 notes a beat. That probably wouldn't work too well either. That would be just weird for this particular exercise. Because that would have to be. I guess what it would be. Oh, fuck it. I'm going down my own personal rabbit hole here, I guess. Anyway, next one. So, 8th notes, down, up. Really make sure that you are doing down, up. No accidental economy picking. And here we go. Double time. And goal speed of 240. So if you can get to that this week, before we'll get to that before the next class, tell me, because then you're going to be working on it with the 16th notes instead, and I can just retab this for you real quick and email it to you. Basically, if you do get to that point, it would sound like this, the 60 beats a minute. And then double that, which would be the equivalent of 240 beats per minute with 8th notes. So yeah, if you get to 240 before next class, tell me, and then I'll send over what the 16th note version would look like if you feel you need it. I mean, all you really need to do is just double up how fast you're playing. Just go back down to 60 and play 4 notes in the beat instead of the 2. Okay, I believe that covers everything. Yeah, if you got questions, you know what to do, and I'll see you Friday.